This is week 8, journal 4, using time and technology effectively. Time management is always a big thing, especially for admin. I think calendars help organization and to delegate and to include our document showing organization and effective use of technology versus outdated materials helpful. I'm a big fan of spreadsheets for organization. That really helps me get everything done as an admin designated. I made a worksheet and spreadsheet for weekly evaluations when I'm working on tasks. Teachers had constant feedback. And the sped teachers use alerts, calendar features to invite staff to IEPs. I use folders by staff, like each staff member has a folder so they can access stuff they might need from me, the Google Drive. I've seen email settings for teachers, especially for emails, like tomorrow. Admin have newsletters or student online newsletters as well. School uses Google Classroom for tech for teachers to communicate. I've noticed that administrators use technology like Google Classroom for a shared drive for weekly PLC and content-specific areas. Those are two different things we have, and they have folders for each. Folders to go over task results and then recorded notes on how to bring up test scores with technology. So a lot of technology is used on campus now.